I'm Tiffany James, your optical marketing expert. Want to market your practice effectively, but have limited time or don't know where to start? You've come to the right place. We've created a series of bite-sized videos to help your business thrive in 2022. Here are 3 ways your practice can successfully leverage My Marketing Team campaigns. Choose the campaign that's just right for you. Downloadable marketing campaigns from My Marketing Team make it easy to stay top of mind with your patients and attract new ones to help grow your business. These articles, social graphics, and downloads are updated monthly. Second, send an email to patients reminding them of their yearly benefits. This is the perfect time to remind patients that they have new vision benefits for the year. Don't forget to include a link to your website so they can book their annual exam right away, and include a link to an eyewear catalog so they can see what's new before their appointment. Third, let's get social. You ended the year with a bang, let's continue that momentum by filling your schedules through the first quarter. Easily schedule and post these ready-made social media graphics on your practice's feed and stories. Want to elevate your practice marketing? Be sure to sign up for our marketing newsletter and stay up to date on the latest marketing tips and industry insights. Thank you for tuning in. Have a marketing topic you'd love to learn more about? Let us know in the comments or visit our website. Start exploring the new campaign today.